This is our washing machine. You know how old it is? You can just take the warranty plus 1 hour. And of course, the main bearing, it's worn out, and you can even see a lot of rust. Should be possible to replace, but it's not. You need to buy the complete inner part. It's so expensive that, you might as well buy a new machine. Isn't that just stupid? A bearing, like on a car, you have wheel bearings. They wear out, but it's possible to change the bearings. But I thought I'll try to see if I can just manage to pull out this bearing.
Retribution! Oh yeah, we want retribution! Oh yeah, we want retribution!
This could have been a great success. As you can see, I managed to take out the bearing. This is the outer part and this is the inner part. So I split the bearing in 2 pieces, used my reverse hammer, my puller, welded it on and got out the bearing. As you can see, now it's just finding a new bearing with this size. I can easily measure it and put in a new bearing. And voila! This should be a great victory. It's not, because of course it's 2 bearings. This is the rear bearing, but it's another bearing inside here. And of course the next bearing, it's also damaged. It's even worse than this one. So yeah, I need to get out the second bearing as well. I can't pull out the next bearing. That goes in from the other side. So now I need to take the whole machine apart, take out this inner part, take out the drum, and see if I can pull out the bearing from the other side.
Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Oh, yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong.
It's time for me to admit defeat. The washing machine has won and I have lost. It's just impossible to take it apart so I can replace the bearings. So the repair shop was right. You just need to buy a complete inner part here. Because for me to get to the second bearing, I need to take out this metal drum that goes inside here. And then I need to split this outer part, because the inner part goes, yeah, you can see it won't go out here. And look at this, it's glued. I have seen on some other machines that this is 2 parts screwed together with a lot of bolts. No. The vendor here has decided to glue it together, make sure it's just impossible to take it apart. So yeah, nothing to do. Just no way this is gonna come out so I can replace these bearings. So I guess this is what's called planned obsolescence. Okay. Also, I noticed another thing. Can you see this? This heavy ring is probably making sure it's not vibrating too much. It has started to crack several places. That's probably not a good sign. So I guess next stop is on the landfill. I will, however, take out the motor, maybe the pump, some relays. Yeah, maybe I can build something funny one day. Have to say, I'm a bit disappointed. I was pretty sure I could beat this machine and actually repair it and make it live some more years. At least I tried.